Hey everyone, I've got this CINOTON LED barn light here, 100 watts. Well, here's what came in the box. Look at this nice light here. It has some mounting screws there too. Just taking my Phillips screwdriver and loosening up these screws here. Took the cover off to expose the wiring. So when you wire this thing, it's going to go white to white, black to black, and green for ground. So sometimes you'll have a copper wire coming out, and the copper wire will go to the green because that's ground. Now, depending on what kind of mount you're going to do, they got these little knockouts here. And so if you're going to come out the back, take the wires out the back of this thing, just punch that out. If you have a mount where you need to come out right here, just punch that one out and bring the wires out that way. So this light here, you can actually use it for a few different things. So you can use it for an outside light that's permanently fixed to a pole or the house or a wall, whatever. Or you can attach it to a cord and maybe use it as a work light and that's portable. Or you can even mount it to something and put a plug on this so you can run it right into a plug. So you can either hardwire it or put a plug on it. I'm gonna go ahead and make a work light out of it. I got this old one here. I'm gonna clip the cord off and wire it there and then use it as a portable work light, but I'm also gonna mount it to a pole and kind of show you how it lights up the place at night. Let's do that. I'm gonna go ahead and punch this out here. Okay, just hook up white to white, green to green, black to black. Before you hook it up, you wanna run it through that hole. Okay, got the wires all connected together, and I'm packing the wires down in here. I'm gonna put a clamp on this side, that way if this cord gets yanked on, which it will, it won't come all the way out. It won't pull out and break my wires apart. See, now it won't come out. You can pull on this, it won't come out there. Now we're ready to roll. Let's go plug it in and test it out. So we got a hook to this. It says a coil on it that retracts. Oh, look at this. This thing is bright. Got it in the weight room here, kind of testing it out. It's gonna be a great work light, super bright. You'll be able to see exactly what you're doing.